what the information we have. And which angle has been asked? CDE. Angle CDE. This X angle has been asked. Okay, this angle has been asked to us. If this is an equilateral triangle, this is equal to this. If this is equal to this, and I consider this angle to be x, then this angle would also be x. Property of isosceles triangle. Now no, not x. X has already been asked. If I consider this y, this will also be y. Okay. I also know that this side is equal to this side, so this angle must be equal to this angle, and if I consider this angle to be z, this angle will also be z. Okay. Now I can get few equations from this figure. First is, if you can see this triangle, and this is the exterior angle, these are the interior opposite angles. So the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So y plus 30 degree must be equal to x plus g. Okay, this is the first equation which we have. Now, to get a few more equations, what I can do is, what else I can do is, if this is z, this must be 180 minus z. 180 minus z. This angle must be 180 minus z. So in this triangle, I will apply the angle sum property of a triangle. So the sum of all angles would sum up to, all the angles will sum up to 180 degree. So x plus y plus this much, 180 minus g. 180 minus g would be 180 degree. So x plus y is equal to g. From this equation I have x plus y is equal to g. So instead of this g, I can write x plus y. So y plus 30 is equal to x plus y. Okay, this y will cancel this y, and we are left with 30 is equal to 2x. So x must be equal to 15 degree. So x must be equal to 15 degree, which is a very good question. It might seem very simple, but it is a good question indeed. This 15 degree is the correct answer.